Welcome to DJMT.
Great tonight. Welcome now once again to DJMT. We make my to follow us, like, share, subscribe. As now they bring all the Obonge news they come your way. On today's news, Seun Kuti don't come outside again to talk reasons, to give reasons why EFCC day after Yahoo boys. According to one, we talk the American government they pay them so that they go fit catch those Yahoo boys, all those people who are into computer crime, cyber crime for Nigeria for you. The doctor said they're not there after politicians, so they're more after those Yahoo boys because of what they benefit from inside. My people, I want to play on the video. Make una hear how into talk this matter. Make una watch this video reach the end.
EFCC is here to arrest Yahoo boys. Finish. American government pays them for that, and they have to show American government no be Nigerian government. When they will give you money, you no go show working. You must show the working, so they have to show constantly how they are harassing the Yahoo boys. So Yahoo boys, EFCC can never stop harassing you. The way you are more important to them than any politician. Take it from Seun. Let the EFCC chairman take it to the office. Let's sit down face to face and make it tell me they lie. That Nigerian Yahoo boys are not more important to him than politicians. It is his job he must catch Yahoo boys more than politicians. That is his job. ICPC, let's suppose, go after politicians exclusively. What are they doing? Nothing. So I'm not surprised. Say EFCC have a case of money laundering in front of them that is destroying Nigeria. See, that is the thing destroying Nigeria. It is not the Yahoo. It is the money laundering. Even the Yahoo money must be laundered. If money laundering is blocked, even Yahoo boys cannot spend their money well. So the real issue, EFCC na collect money 15 million. Now you take 15 million as price to destroy 100 million lives. Now go share the 15 million and go give our children. Now they wonder why our children life no dey better. Why our own life no dey better? Why say no matter what you do, everything goes to naught. Are you only done? How your life won't be better?
No, they don't like it.
All this drug money in the world, bro. All over the world. All this drug money must be laundered somewhere, must be kept somewhere. Drug money ti yapa July, illegal money, stolen money, everywhere. I say, now don't forget, they see inside one apartment. You know, Nigerians, if only you people take your matter serious, maybe we're not going to make progress. They're not going to go round and round in the same talk. During Buhari first time, they see $41 million inside one flat for Ikoyi. Now don't forget, ni whistleblower, whistle, poo. Inside Andrew Yakubu house, his sister whistle blow, poo, $9 million cash, and the man was just an ordinary GM in NNPC. Ordinary GM. He had $9 million. He said that they give him as gift. EFCC could not prosecute that case. Doesn't that man win that case? He win that case, so say they fine $9 million. You know, I follow the case. EFCC talk say na gift. The matter say na gift with the money. EFCC say na corruption proceed. EFCC did not provide one witness. Where own the money, where give the man gift. They don't say, oh, I didn't give him gift. Because if the man said a gift, it is on EFCC to prove that it is a lie. And it's very easy. Who give you the gift? Finish. They did not even do the investigation to that extent. So, person will get $9 million. Ordinary Bobrisky can pay 15 million. Imagine waiting that one fee pay. So how can they bring? So even the cases in the court are not prosecuted correctly.
And this one carry come give una make una do it to the follow us, like, share, drop your comment for comment section. Until we come your way again for another news, make una always do it to stay safe. Una do. DJ